Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add animations to text in CapCut. So in here, I've already add a video and I'm going to write the text first. So let's go to text at the top here. Then just click on add text. Here I'm going to use the default text. And just write your text in here. And here I'm going to change the font at the bottom. Let's try to use this font right here. Okay, so to add animation, you can just click on the animations tab in here. I'm going to adjust the position and change the font. I'm going to make it bold and click on animations after that. So you can add animation for the in, part, out, or loop. So here I'm going to just add the loop animations. So click on the loop tab in here and just select the animations that you like. So I'm going to use, for example, this gradient
Not trying to be in there,
animation. You can see just
not
now
trying to
that
be
the
cool.
text will move as you select animations. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.